Welcome to the world of tech, where innovation and creativity knows no bounds. An example of this is the amazing feat achieved by YouTuber Sam Chiat, who has modded Microsoft Paint, a popular Windows 11 and 10 app, to allow it to be used to create basic animations. This Flipnote style animation feature works by having the animation appear in a separate panel which can be played, paused, or step through individual frames. If you want to make any changes, it's easy to edit in the Paint app to instantly see the results in the animation panel. The results speak for themselves, with Sam already sharing an amazing animated GIF made with the program. But this isn't all that's happened to Microsoft Paint this week, as game developer Talon Zane has managed to introduce layers to the application in another mod. This layer feature is impressive in itself, as it is implemented via a companion app, and it's really captured people's attention online. Given the reaction to these impressive programs, it's quite possible that Microsoft will soon take note and build out these features officially. All the existing evidence suggests that the animation and layers mods could be released very shortly, revolutionizing the way we interact with and think about the Microsoft Paint app. So, don't forget to keep an eye out for this space to see what other exciting advancements could be on the horizon. In the meantime, come join us on Tech Radar to get an up-to-date look at the world of tech, where you can receive daily news, reviews, opinion, analysis, and more. Thanks for watching.